The shrine of Imam Hussain in Karbala has been a beacon of resistance, a symbol of justice and a sanctuary for the oppressed for centuries. But throughout history, this holy site has faced numerous attempts to erase it from existence. In 850 AD, during the reign of the Abbasid Caliph Mutawakkil, the first major attempt to destroy the shrine took place. Mutawakkil ordered his forces to raze the tomb and divert the waters of the Euphrates over the site to obliterate any trace of Imam Hussein's grave. But the sacred land remained intact, and the memory of Imam Hussain could not be washed away. Several centuries later, the shrine was again attacked during the Wahhabi invasion of 1802. The Wahhabis, under the leadership of Saud bin Abdulaziz, attacked Karbala, plundering the city and attempting to destroy the shrine. Yet even after such violence, the shrine was restored by the resilient followers of Ahlulbayt.